Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. I have another November unboxing for you all today and it is from Spooky Box, yay! I've actually had a double delivery this month from Spooky Box. However, I shall be unboxing one this month and one next month. This is number 67 and it's Children of the Night. There we go. Alright, so what is Spooky Box? This is a UK based gothic and alternative lifestyle subscription box. It costs £26.50 a month to receive, and that's including your postage and packaging. I will of course pop website and Instagram details of the company in the description box below. So where it says show more, please press that and it'll bring all the details up for you. So one thing to tell you about this box is everything that's inside is all custom made for this company. So other than purchasing on their website, you will not find this stuff anywhere else, guys. I've been getting this now, I think this is my third or fourth box. Can't quite remember, but I absolutely love it. I'm always really pleased with what we get. So let's hope this month is the same. If you do enjoy your gothic and alternative subscription boxes and makeup looks, please do remember to hit the subscribe button and join me on this YouTube journey, because that's kind of what I do. Don't forget to hit your notification bell as well. Turn it on to all, that way YouTube will tell you every time I upload a video, which is around about 3 times a week. Okay, let's dive in and see what we've got this month. There we go. We always get a cheat sheet on the top that tells us about all the items in the box. Obviously, as this is all custom made, we don't get any RRP values or anything like that, but I don't think I've had a box yet where I've thought, you know what, that's not worth the £26 I've paid. It really is, guys. So this, like I say, is the Children of the Night, and I have just seen an item on the top, and this is, oh my god, this is so cute, and I am so chuffed this is in here. Look, we got a little baddie! We got a little baddie plushie! How cute! Oh my word! Oh my goodness! Oh, that is just awesome. Yeah, it's got pink on and I'm not a pink girl, but that's not the problem. Oh my word, it's like a microfibery fleece. It is so soft. And he got little bat wings for his arms. Got little feet. Oh, that is so soft and squishy. It's like one of them, what do you call them squishmallows? Oh, that is, wow. Oh, that's ace. And I mean, you normally pay about a tenner for things like this, so, oh, that's amazing. And just to prove to you, look, we have the Spooky Box Company label stuck on his little hip there. Oh, that is awesome. Okay. Do you know what? I'm trying to think of a name. She's got to have a name. So, any name suggestions, guys, for this cutie little plushie, pop them in the comment section below for me, and you never know, I might just pick the best one. Oh, she'll be sitting on my bed from now on. Yay! That's item number 1. Item number 2. Oh, we have an organza bag, and I can see something as a bat. Let me have a look. Right. Oh, I think I know what this is. It's in some bubble wrap. I think it's a hair thing. Now then, this ain't gonna work in my hair, unfortunately, because here we go. Is it? Yes, it is. Right, we've got 2 pieces. We've got a bat thing here, which is really cute. These are plastic, by the way, guys. And it's like a bun thing, and there's the like pen stabby thing. So what you do is these holes here, I don't know if you can see, let me try and take them carefully out the packaging, because like I say, this is not something I'm going to use because I can't get my hair, I can just about get this front bit in a plait, but I can't get my hair in a bun or, you know, any sort of ponytail or anything like that. But I am just going to try and very gently show you how this works if you don't know. I mean, if you've got long hair, you'll understand how this works. But basically, there you go. And the holes there, you poke that through and then through that side. And if you imagine your hair in the middle, and so it literally, it like sits on the top of your head or on the back of your head to cover a bun or a ponytail. Oh my word, that is awesome. That is so, so cute. And I don't think I've ever seen this sort of hair accessory done in a gothic and alternative style. So that is amazing. Like I say, unfortunately, that's not a product I'm going to use, but I'm not sad or upset it's in there. I think that's a wonderful idea. So I'm going to put it back in the packaging, and I've got a couple of friends that are into their gothic and alternative like myself and who have got long hair. So potentially that might be something that I gift away to them as a little pick-me-up prezzy. Yeah. But awesome. And again, I mean, what's that going to be worth? Crikey. Well, those sort of things, I think they're normally about £2 or £3. But because it's the gothic and alternative and it's a bit different, you're probably looking about £5 or £6. I don't know. It's a long time since I bought hair accessories, guys. So I'll pop that back in the bag. But that is item number 2. There we go. Item number 3. Oh, now this looks like something for me. Oh, this looks like a choker. Oh, I adore chokers and collars. Right, it's really quite big. And it looks like it's like PVC or vegan leather. But it's got a ball, a bell ball thing on the end. Right. This is definitely me. Now, the only problem I have with things like this is I've got extremely sensitive skin. So, if anything like this, where it's metal and where that metal touches my skin, if that's got nickel or things like that in, I will be allergic to it. But how cute is that? It is a collar and it's got a bow, and then it's got like the jingly bell, and the jingly bell's got stars on it. Oh, right, let's give this a go, guys. Let's give this a go. I used to have a stud collar. Oh God, I got it 20 plus years ago. Wore it that much. I think I've only got about 2 studs left on it that are actually still attached. And the sort of leather itself is really, oh, it is so well worn. It's not very tight at all anymore. Wow. Now I think I've got that on the tightest hole and it's still a little bit big for me, but that's not a problem. My husband's got oh, it's a tool for making new holes in your belts. So I can just get him to pop me another hole and another rivety thing in it. Actually, no, I think there might be one more. But that is awesome. So that's item number 3. I'm just going to take it off just for the purposes of getting on with the video. So yeah, that's item number 3. That is wicked. I love chokers and collars. And I've been needing some new ones, so yay! Yay! In fact, it could even go on the little back plushie, couldn't it? To cover up that pink bow. I could even do that. Anyway, item number 3. Item number 4. Yay! This is something I will use. We got some cat ear, a cat ear headband. There we go. There we go. Can you see them all there poking out, guys? Now, obviously, I do use headbands all the time for keeping this part of my hair back while I'm doing my makeup. So something like that, I am always very, very pleased to receive. That's awesome. Item number 4, I'll pop that on the plushie as well, just for the time being. This poor little plushie. Oh, what's this? Is this our candy of the month? Oh my God, I remember this from when I was a kid. Oh, crikey Moses. Right, it's one of these whistle, lollipoppy, sucky things. I'm sure, don't you pull? Yes. And it's by Swizzlers, so it's like the love heart type sweetie thing, and you just suck it, and then you've got a whistle. Now, the whistle don't work very well. But yeah, that's our candy of the month. That's cool, I like that. Okay, pin badge. We always get a pin badge with Spooky Box. Oh, this looks beautiful. This is, it's a 2, 4, 6. So it's a hexagonal badge, and it's got an owl, outstretched owl on it, and it says Nocturnal Society. I love that. And that is metal. It feels really, really heavy. Let me take it out of there. Oh yeah, oh that's fab. There we go. There we go, Nocturnal Society. I love pin badges, and I am actually going to be getting a black sort of cotton denim jacket that I'm going to be popping all my patches on. So on iron-on patches that I get in these type of boxes. But also I'm going to be making a special like pin badge cushion type thing for all these to go on as well, which will eventually will be in my backdrop as a display item. So that's item number 6. And ooh, what we got here? Okay, item number 7. It's a blank stainless steel coffin shaped pet name tag. Okay, comes on a mini split ring ready to be personalised. Ah, that's all. Right, so that's the little card that comes with it. There we go. And let's open this up. Now, I don't actually have any pets at the moment. I used to have a dog, and we used to have a cat. Unfortunately, they've, you know, both long since gone. It comes in a little organza bag. And here we go. Oh, that is so cute. And again, that's metal. It's really quite heavy. I'm going to save that for when we do get a pet. That's awesome. I love that. What a great idea, involving your pets as well. And like it says, you don't have to use it as a pet name tag. You can use it just as a keychain or a bag charm or whatever. But leaving it blank as well so you can personalise it. Yeah, love that. Absolutely love that. So I'll pop that back in its packaging, and that's item number 7. And then the last item in the bag, or the box even I should say, is the artwork for this month. We always do get a little piece of artwork. Sometimes it's by a featured artist or featured company. Let's have a look. What does it say? It says, listen to them, the children of the night, what music they make. Oh, I love it. And I think this is Spooky Box themselves who've done this month. So there we go. That's item number 8. Right, let's go on the cheat sheet, make sure we've got everything. So we have our Spooky Box candy choice of the month. Yes. Custom made Children of the Night art print. Yes. Black cat ears headband. Yes. Engravable coffin pet tag. Stainless steel. Brilliant, with mini split pin. Awesome. We have the Black Magic Kitty Bow choker. Yeah. Now that doesn't say it's stainless steel, so potentially I might end up with an allergic reaction to that, but we will see. Dead chuffed about that. I can't tell you because literally my other collar, like I say, that I've had for donkey's years and was just my old faithful, has just, yeah, it needed replacing. The custom made bat barrette hair slide and pin, yes. And then my personal fave of the box this month is the custom made cute bat plush. Yeah, absolutely. Wow, £26.50 guys, and look what we've got in there. Oh, and we've also got the pin badge, which isn't actually on the cheat sheet. So that's not like a little extra, because they always do put the pin badge in. It just must have been missed off. So £26.50 guys. This choker alone would set you back a tenner. So would the plushie at least. So do I think that's a good value box? You bet your bottom dollar I do. I'm chuffed to bits. Like I say, this has got to be my favourite item out the box. Actually, it's a close second, I have to say, with the collar. Please do, if you're liking this video, give me the thumbs up down below. And also, whilst you're there, pop me a comment in the comment section and give me some name ideas for this little cutie pie. Right, I think that's everything for today, everybody. And like I say, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, as always. If you are new to my channel, the warmest of welcomes. I hope you consider joining me on this YouTube journey. I do gothic alternative subscription box unboxings, beauty unboxings, makeup looks, makeup hauls. I have a live stream on a Friday evening called the Friday Night Natter. That's a virtual get-together. Bring your favourite beverage, get yourself comfy, and just see what crazy chat is flying in the live chat, basically. Join in if you're feeling comfortable. If not, not a problem. It's a very safe, encouraging, open-minded space. So, yeah, please do join us for that. 8 PM every Friday, UK time. And I think that's everything for today, everybody. Enjoy the rest of your day, keep safe and well, and I shall see you in the next one.